Got A00 files from ALZip split archive operations and need to extract their contents? This Korean compression tool was popular for handling multi-part archives. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these ALZip split archive files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful A00 troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. Represents the first segment of a larger file archive that has been split into multiple smaller parts by the ALZip compression utility. This method is used to facilitate easier transfer over networks or storage on media with size limitations. To extract the contents, all parts, A0.0, A01, etc., must be present. The A00 file is a binary container holding a portion of the compressed data stream and metadata that points to the next file in the sequence, A01. This segmented design allows the archiver to handle files larger than a file system's single file size limit and makes downloads more resilient to interruption. For managing A00 files, the best dedicated software is ALZip from ESTsoft Corp. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows may display limited details for compressed files, so full access requires proper extraction tools. This A00 file is tricky, so let's test thoroughly. Right-click it and choose Open With. If ALZip is there, use it first. If not, choose a different app and continue the test. If you cannot access the A00 file, no problem. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, extracting with ALZip. Install ALZip from ESTsoft website or alternative archive utilities supporting ALZ format. Place all split archive parts, including the main ALZ file and A00, A01, etc. segments in the same folder. Right-click the main ALZ file and select Extract or use ALZip's interface to extract the complete archive contents. Next, Universal Archive Tools. Try opening ALZip A00 files with universal archive utilities like 7-zip, WinRAR, or ALZip. While these tools may not directly support ALZ format, some implementations include compatibility for handling split ALZip archives. Right-click split files and try extraction with various archive utilities to test compatibility before resorting to dedicated ALZip software. Finally, alternative Korean tools. If ALZip is unavailable, try other Korean archive utilities like BandaZip or WinNot, which often include ALZ format support. These applications provide alternative access to ALZip split archives with modern interfaces and broader format compatibility, making them valuable alternatives for users encountering ALZip files in international file sharing scenarios. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.